everything moved down here. I drove the cab over. I did notice that we're gonna have to fix the speedometer because I was definitely going the speed limit 100% of the way, even when it didn't say I was going the speed limit. But I know it's inaccurate, so that's another thing added to the list that we're gonna change. Other than that, everything went pretty smoothly, just moving stuff around, switching trailers to different vehicles, and all that fun stuff, but it's here now.